Hi everyone, welcome back to TubeTech Astro channel. StellaVita app 2.0 for Android has been available. This video will demonstrate how to upgrade from version 1.0 to 2.0 and help you complete the upgrade smoothly. Before upgrading, please ensure your 1.0 app core is updated to version 1.1.68. Disconnect from StellaVita Wi-Fi and connect to another Wi-Fi. In the 1.0 app, go to MISC, Settings. Tap Check for updates to download the latest core firmware v1.1.68. After the download, reconnect to StellaVita Wi-Fi to install the update. A single beep sound indicates the update is complete. Uninstall the 1.0 app. Then download the new StellaVita app. Once downloaded, connect to StellaVita Wi-Fi. An update prompt will appear automatically, and the core will begin upgrading to version 2.0. When the progress bar reaches 100%, StellaVita will emit two sounds. Two short beep-beep sounds indicate the StellaVita Wi-Fi is active. One long beep indicates StellaVita has fully started. Upon hearing the long beep, reconnect your device to StellaVita Wi-Fi. The upgrade is complete when it displays Upgrade Successful. During the upgrade process, do not disconnect the device, as this may cause malfunctions. If the progress bar stays at 100% for an extended period, try reconnecting to StellaVita Wi-Fi. After upgrading, it is recommended to verify that both the core firmware and app version are the latest.